How's it going, guys? My name is Paulo. I'm mobile enthusiastic, and I'm here to make a series of videos showing how to use this brand new Cloud Firestore. Alright, I really think that the Cloud Firestore it will replace the Firebase real-time database, and that's the main reason of why am I doing this. Okay, as you may already noticed, I'm not from the States or any other country that speaks in English. I'm actually from Brazil, so I apologize if I make any English mistakes, but I'll try my best, alright? So without further ado, let's get this thing started. So what the fuck is Cloud Firestore? Well, Cloud Firestore is a flexible, scalable database for mobile, web, and server development from Firebase and Google Cloud Platform. You'll find this in the Firestore documentation. Okay, so it sounds a lot like the Firebase real-time database. Well, it does, but the main difference between both is that in the Firebase real-time database, you have something like this, a JSON. That's how you store your data in the Firebase real-time database. Okay. In the Cloud Firestore, you have a document-oriented data. So if you never heard of it, relax. It is really simple. So it's nothing but store your data inside a document. So let's say we have a table of beers and we want to store in our documents. It's really simple. For each beer, you have one document with its properties, all right? Really simple to see it. In each row of a table, we have one beer, right? With its ID, its name, its units. Each row of it, it's one different beer. In the documents, each document will be a different beer, all right? With its ID, with its name, with its units. In the Cloud Firestore, you have a collection of those documents, all right? You have a collection. Inside a collection, you have a document or documents, and inside a document, you have your data. This is a better way to see it. You have, let's say, we have right here a collection. Inside this collection, we have these documents, and each document can point to a whole different sub-collection of another documents, and so goes and on and on and on. All right, so we have a document for each entity. All right, so if we have beers, if we're talking about beers, we have a document for each beer, but of course we have some rules for it. First, only documents are allowed inside collections. So you can't have a collection of strings, a collection of images, a collection of any other thing. You're just allowed to have documents inside a collection. The other thing is that documents can contain other documents. That's why you point to different other collections, because you can have a document inside a document. You can have strings, you can have blobs, you can have binary data, you can have even JSON inside of it, but you can't have other documents. All right, you can have this document inception right there. So I'm sorry, DiCaprio, but that's the truth. What you can have is this. All right, so as I as I showed you before, you have something like this. Let's say you have a collection of users. Each document will be a different user. all right? And you can have a document pointing to another collection of documents. So let's say I want the workouts of Joey. I'll point to the collections of workouts documents that Joey has, all right? And it goes on and on and on, all right? That's really simple for you to see. I hope so. And the main advantage of it, it's because let's imagine that we have a JSON right here, all right? So when I when I would grab when I wanted Joey data, his workouts and his history, would everything come inside the Joey JSON, right? So with this document oriented approach, if I just want like the name or the ID or the name and the email of Joey, I'll just grab his document and I'll have everything inside it, everything that I need, right? If I want his workouts, all right, I'll grab his document and this other one with his workouts, okay? It's it can save a lot of data. That's the main advantage. So of course I'll now uh, show you the basic steps of how to get started with create a new project, create a new Android Studio project, create a new Firebase project, and all those kind of stuffs that can, you know, can get really can be a really pain in the ass. That's the truth. So let's get things started. Okay. See you guys next video. Hope you enjoy it.